Hey, welcome to another recipe here on Real Nice Guyana, my friends. Today we're going to be making the best chip there is, breadfruit chips. If you've never had breadfruit chips, you should go out, buy a breadfruit, cut it up, slice it, and make some chips like we're going to be doing here today. For this recipe, we have our breadfruit. We're going to be using some salt. Black pepper is optional. If kids are going to be using this, you won't use the black pepper. And oil, of course, for frying. So that's all we need for this yummy, delicious, the best chip there is, breadfruit chip. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. So let's get started, guys. Okay guys, so first of all we're gonna peel our breadfruit. We're gonna cut it down in the middle like so. And breadfruit is something that is tough to cut and peel, so be careful. This to me is one of the best chips I've tasted. Very, very good. So you cut in pieces like this, so then you can make your slices off of these. And it's easier to peel this way as well. So sometimes these breadfruit appear to be green when you're buying them. All indications that they're green and hard, but sometimes when you cut into them they're a bit soft. But you can still make your chips with them. They'll be a little bit sweetish, but it still tastes good. You see how tough the skin is? So you can buy one of those slicers that I have. We don't have one of those, as you can see. So we are using what we have, our knives. And these make some nice boil and fry as well too. Okay guys, we had put our oil to heat up here and it's now hot, so we're going to start frying. So you want to put these in all together at the same time, the batch that you're going to fry. Don't put them in one by one, or else some will get brown very fast. Too fast. You want them all to cook at the same color, almost the same color. So after a little bit you're going to turn them up, and that helps them to cook evenly, so you don't get some of that are too brown. So as soon as you're done, you're going to add your salt and a bit of black pepper if you're adding black pepper. so that salt stays on there while it's hot. And that's looking yummy. Yummy. Okay guys, so this is our last batch. And you gotta try these breadfruits, guys. So here's our finished product, guys, our breadfruit chips. And I'm telling you, if you never had these and you try them, you're not gonna go back to potato chips again. Alright, I can promise you that. These are the yummiest chips there is. So if you like this video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.